You know what you're going to do up there yet?
Well, we're just going as short as we possibly can get it, right?
Yeah, sounds good. You can take a little bit
Not
off.
like we can do much.
Yeah, sounds good. If you won't go scalp, I'd appreciate that.
Do a one guard.
Yeah.
So it just leaves a little bit of fuzz on there.
Yeah, because she's starting to get a little chilly, so a little protection up top.
Gotcha. Come into any of the participating Indianapolis Gray Clips between now and November 23rd and just ask for the Chuck Strong special. And that's going to be a 0 guard or a 1 guard buzz, and you will get a free haircut. And then in return, Gray Clips will donate $10 to leukemia research.
Thank you so much. You did
You're
a great
welcome.
job. Fresh head. Now I have to cut John's hair. Let's do this.
You ready for this? Okay. All right.
Wow, you got really thin hair. It didn't even sound like I was cutting anything. Well, I shaved a head, which is obviously awesome, but we also kicked off a great thing that Gray Clips is doing in honor of Chuck Strong. They jumped on board with it, and it's an amazing group of people, and I'm happy that I could come. Get the head trimmed up a little bit. My hair didn't grow back as fast as I expected, but they trimmed off a little bit. We cut a guy's hair, and they donated some money to the Leukemia Lymphoma Money Fund, and it's amazing.
No appointment is needed at Gray Clips. Just walk in anytime. Just go to thecolts.com/Chuck Strong website and look for over the 60 participating Gray Clips locations.